Good evening, everyone. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. We are very, very happy to have been given this chance and opportunity to sing for all of you here in St. John's, Newfoundland. For all these singers, it is their first time here in Canada. And we have been touring for the last almost 3 months. We started in Vancouver, and slowly we worked ourselves to here, finally. And in a few days we'll be coming home to our families in the Philippines. That song that we just sang for you is the Prayer of St. Francis by the American composer Alan Polt, arranged for us in a cappella by a former member of ours, Robert Delgado. That song has always been our aspiration and our prayer, that through our voices and through our music, we may continue to spread messages of faith, hope, love, forgiveness, joy, and peace. We are very grateful for all the blessings that God has given us, for our voices, for our music, and for all the things that we have received in this tour. And so we'd like to continue glorifying Him with our next 2 songs. The first one is a setting of Psalm number 66. This is entitled Jubilate Deo, or Shout unto God, written by a Swiss-Italian composer, Ivo Antonini. This will be followed by another song of thanksgiving written by one of our members, J.L. Viteño, is here. And it's entitled Magdiwang Magpuri, Celebrate and Praise God. It is an invitation for everyone to embrace the world in peace and unity.